lower your golf score with these amazing tips. If you are interested in the pursuit of the great game, then these tips will help you get started. A smart piece of golf advice is to pass on renting a cart, instead of renting a golf cart. Walking also a good way to warm up before and your muscles warm. Tip: you will eventually find the best stance for you. Based on a variety of physical attributes, finding your proper stance may look much different than the best stance for other golfers you play with. One of the most important things to consider when starting to learn a golf swing is how to incorporate a proper club grip. Try to use a soft, yet firm. Hold the golf club as though you were a small bird. Each golf club is made with a sweet spot. Your ball takes off with perfect accuracy. You should practice with your clubs to identify the sweet spot of each, and connect with the ball when you reach the end of a downward swing. Tip: the position of your toes will help guide you towards finding proper posture for your swing. You may be leaning in the wrong direction if you can easily move your feet, so don't distance yourself so much from the ball. Golf clubs. Focus completely on how you will proceed with the next shot. For those looking to buy golf clubs, you've come to the right place. Check out featured golf clubs at golfstoreblog.com. Worrying about mistakes can have an effect on your swing, so move on. Tip: remember that this shot is the only one that matters right now. You should not be distracted by the previous shot or anything else going on around you. When you are putting, look down and make sure your left hand is set a little forward of the ball before you strike it. Maintain this position as you complete your swing. Make sure you do get plenty of stretching in and stay hydrated. Staying in shape can benefit your golf game. Tip: whenever you can team up with strong golfers, do so. This way, you can learn by observation. You should always make the most of any opportunity that allows you to learn something from a seasoned golfer. During any other swing, your ball should be centered between your feet as you swing your club. The exception to this is when you're shot from a slope. Check the club head prior to buying a used golf club. If a club has been overused, you can tell by the shiny, it means it's been used too much. This is undesirable since the club head will not hold the ball as effectively. We certainly hope you are enjoying this golf blog. Be sure to also visit golfstoreblog.com for a great selection of high-quality golf clubs at superb prices. Tip: one of the first things you need to learn about golf is the scoring rules. When you know how to keep score, you aren't judged as a bad player. It is something that shouldn't be overlooked. The club should rest on your palm with your thumbs pointing down. Looking for a golf discount? We've selected the highest quality golf clubs at bargain prices. See link to featured golf clubs at golfstoreblog.com for more great golf deals. Both of your hands need to be touching each other on the club. Choke up to put more power behind your club when you want the ball to go farther. Despite what many pros may say, keep a consistent position for all your shots. This helps you maintain the same stance and adds consistency for each shot. If you are searching to purchase golf clubs, the right golf clubs will help you. We've already done all the hard work selecting the best golf clubs for you. At golfstoreblog.com, click on golf clubs where you'll find a great selection from some of top global manufacturers. When you need loft in the clubs, you could have your trailing foot close to the lead, and this will increase the loft while maintaining the ball position. This allows you to choose the correct club in each situation. Tip: when holding your club, utilize a neutral grip. If you hold your golf club too tight, your shots will have a tendency to veer off to the right. Make sure you are playing with people on a higher level to keep your confidence up. When you are a novice, choose easy courses, and get together with other novices. Playing on difficult course with much better golfers will crush your spirit and enthusiasm. This helps the ball travel in a straight ahead. Practice your swing until you have learned how it affects the angle of your shot. Tip: your feet should be lined up properly. This is one of the best things you can do to improve your golf swing. Buy golf clubs. Try to work around your problem if you can't figure out how to solve it. For those looking to buy golf clubs, you've come to the right place. Visit golfstoreblog.com for great golf deals. It might even end up being an advantage and adding to the uniqueness of your playing style. Tip: if you want to up your golf game, then make certain your posture is proper. Your position can influence how far the ball goes. Keep the correct stance. If you are unsure if you are standing correctly, you can test it by tapping your toes down and up and not moving your feet. It should take little effort to tap them. If you are leaning above the ball too far, then you are leaning too far back. Conversely, if it is too easy, then you are leaning too far forward. For those looking for golf lessons, you've come to the right place. Check out golferdays.com/golf lessons. For a great way to unwind and enjoy a sport that challenges the body and mind, visit your local golf course. We certainly hope you are enjoying this golf blog. Be sure to also visit golfstoreblog.com for a great selection of high-quality golf clubs at superb prices. Many people wish to become more knowledgeable about how to play golf, but they may not know how to do that. This material is available in our online course, How to Play Golf. Complete golf lessons for beginners. Now is the time to take the knowledge you have gained and apply it to your life.